guys, again, good afternoon once again. It's what time we are? It's 5:60 in the afternoon. This area is in Burgundy. Is that Charol area, Papa?
No, Charol is now back. We are going to from Charol to Macon.
This is we came from Charol, and this one is we go directly to Macon. This is in the south of France, Burgundy. It's a brand new highway, huh? Very nice.
This portion is brand new.
This portion. Continue to walk. This is area also is this is the one you told me is direction to Switzerland.
No,
the
no.
Babaray Alam Ukaw. Wow. They have a horse, baby. Look, the horse there. This is a variety of cow which is really a specialty here for the Charol. It's a Charolais beef. This is the original. It's a white one. Why they have there the you see there over? It's a mountain. They take out the rocks. Just 5. It's a nice village. It's like we are in Switzerland, Bali, a lot of Bali in this area. It's about 35 kilometers away from Macon to Macon now, no?
Now, 25.
If you'll do Liam, ilipo you take Chris Liam when we arrive. This is ano that one lucky Papa, there is no toll gate, no?
No, there is repair.
While in repair after they have.
I don't know. I hope so. No.
You can talk normal, Siri. Doesn't matter this. Basta as long as not music. That's why that is a factory of making a gravel. Again, I will repeat, this is the area of Burgundy. Last year is already repairing this road. Baliam Papa, where he is working is in commercial design.
Liam?
Not Liam, William.
No, William is in commercial and
Glenn is not in a bank. Is not a banker now.
No, he's a investment company. Yeah, 186.
101 euro 86.53 for the 98, no? What is talking about your cousin, Siri?
about the castle, yeah. The castle.
It's Porsche?
You have no.
Still the owner?
No. He was the owner.
Oo, then he married with young, ano yun?
No. Then he divorced, but he hold the castle because it was his property. Then he find a new girlfriend,
Oo.
and normally they have to marry. And few days or hours even before, because he was in hospital, he want to marry. He died.
To secure supposedly girl,
To secure
resale
the girl.
property.
But before that, when he entered hospital, before he entered hospital, he make a notary paper that she can stay forever for life there. And on the case, because he want to marry to give her the property, but he don't marry it. It's mean she can stay the whole life, entire life. He leave her a lot of money to maintain the property. And when she died, the children he have with his first wife will inherit.
So for instance, she will marry that, but the property will not transfer to the name of her.
No, transfer to nobody until the girlfriend die. And when the girlfriend die, the property will go to the children he get with the first wife.
But this one is a young wife, girlfriend, di ba?
Yeah, this which is quiet for the rest of her life. She can do what she wants. She can make reception, Airbnb, whatever.
That is a good idea.
But
It's secure, really.
It's secure her, yeah.
Because if, for example, she will marry, it's the same story. She cannot touch her property.
No. If she married, she can solve. But now she cannot. I tell you, it's a question of hours or day. You know, he won't even make the official of the civil married in hospital when he feel it's the end. There is the same story, you know, woman and woman. I have another cousin.
Yes.
Woman.
Guy, listen here, this is a true, real story.
And then the sister, his sister, claim, of course, the castle.
That's a real story, right?
Yeah. And then they fight each other for the castle.
I saw the
And then he pay a lot of money to her not to let her take the castle.
Oh la la.
Brother, sister, you see. But it's because the cousin put oil on the fire.
So, what is going on now? The result today?
But the result, I explain you.
The castle goes to who?
The castle will go to his kids with his first wife. He had with his first wife.
And this is the one?
But the girlfriend he had before he died, can use this property until she died.
It's a good security for her. She do what? She don't arrive to marry. At least he leave him a lot of money to.
Yeah, he leaving. When we talk a lot of money, it's not a lot of money. Enough money to maintain the property.
Valerie and Esteban, how come you know this couple, Papa? How this property is a side of your mother?
No, my father.
That's what I said, but it's a side of your father because
This property was the property of my grandpa. When he died in the World War, my grandma sold this to my uncle.